Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. Recently, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R 2023 was officially introduced in the US market. Just like the previous 2022 model, the two attractive color options offered are metallic matte twilight blue with metallic Diablo black and metallic matte graphene steel gray with metallic Diablo black. Meanwhile, for the lime green with ebony and pearl blizzard white aka KRT edition, the color option is no longer available. So let's talk about it. In terms of the specifications, it seems that the Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R 2023 stays with the previous specs without any recent upgrades. The model is powered by a 636cc 4-stroke inline 4-cylinders DOHC 16-valve liquid coolant engine, which is then matched to a 6-speed transmission system. The maximum power reached 136 PS at 13,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 70.8 Newtons at 11,000 RPM. As a high-performance mid-range sport bike, the Ninja ZX6R comes with a variety of attractive features, including assist and slipper clutch system, Kawasaki quickshifter, front fork from Showa SFF BP 41mm, Kawasaki intelligent anti-lock braking system, Kawasaki traction control, LED front and rear lights, as well as LCD screen display with various important information. The model is further equipped with a maximum fuel tank of 17 liters and weight up to 193 kilograms. Last, for the US market, the selling price is $10,699 for the blue color option and $10,999 for the gray ones. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.